Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. So for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to, if you're trying to get push on your terminal and it's asking you for password, how to make it to stop asking you for password. Do you understand? That's what I want to do. It's not how to generate the password. No, you don't want it to show you password again. This tutorial is for you. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean. So if I do git push now, oh my god, sorry, clear. If I do git push now, as you can see, it's going to ask me for password. So what I want to teach you guys is how to stop git push from asking you for password, for requesting for password. So before I continue, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and also you can comment if you still have more questions on what I want to teach. So this question is going to be for majorly ALS students. If you're not an ALS student, don't worry, I'm going to explain it to you in a way you will understand it. So the first thing you're going to do is cd to your repository, and by that I mean if you have cloned your repository to your terminal, cd to it. If the name of your repository that you clone is hello, cd to hello. Do you understand? So I'm going to cd to the name of my own is ALS low level programming. Have cd to it. Then you click on list because I want to see the list. So if you see, if I click on list, I'm not seeing what I want to show you. So I do LA so that everything I want to show will show. So you cd to .git, cd .git, it's there. So don't use ls. That's why I first use ls. So I'll show you that it will not show. Use la. Cd to .git. Okay, let's clear this. Then cd to okay, let's do list. You're not sitting. Okay, you're going to do vi to configure. So I'm using my phone for this tutorial. In case if you want to learn how I use my phone to work with my terminal, I uploaded a video on it, so just check my last video, is there. So I'm going to do vi to because I'm using vi to config. So I'm going to explain why it's asking for password. Maybe there's a possibility that you use two token to maybe clone. Maybe there's a way that, for instance, at some time my token got expired and I regenerated another token, so it will definitely ask for password. Do you understand? So how you're going to do that is come to this place with URL. Go there, here now, delete everything here. I won't be deleting it because I know why my own is not working, because I intentionally went and put 5 here. Do you understand? So I'm going to remove the 5. So what you're going to do is remove all this URL. Now put in the token you want to use, like the real token you're using to work on your distance. So I'm going to press an I. So do you understand? Escape. So what I'm trying to explain is the token, maybe your token have expired and you regenerated a new token. It might be the problem. So remove this token, clear everything, then input. You know how you clone your repository to your terminal. So you does the whole way you're not cloning this time around. You're just going to copy the URL. You're going to post it here. Do you understand? So once you're done, you go back and try git push again. You see, it's not going to ask you for password again. Do you understand? So once you do this now, it will never ask you for password. So you know the token. If you don't know the token, go to your GitHub and get your token, or go to your Gmail. It's always either on your Gmail or go on your GitHub. So go to your GitHub and get your token. So make sure the token is the same thing with what you're supposed to be working with. So just clear everything and put it back, because mine was giving me the same issue. As you can see, I intentionally manipulated with my token. I noticed that it did not work for me until I cleared it, right? So that's how you're going to get your terminals to stop you, maybe stop all this password if you want to get push and everything. So that's it on today's tutorial. As I said, I used my phone for this everything I did here on terminal is obvious. So in case you want to learn how I did it, it's on my other video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial. Love you guys. Bye.